Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Just a reminder, by tomorrow end of day, make sure your exam 2 is finished. So it's due by tomorrow end of day, and of course that is Sunday, April the 3rd. Further, good news, there's not a lecture for chapter 11. However, there's a PowerPoint and a few notes. The goal of this is to have you spend more time in studying for the final exam. I've already put out a study guide for the final exam. It's the same study guide you use for exam 2, but you have to remember the final exam, of course, is going to encompass both exam 1 and exam 2 questions, so be sure to go back and review maybe the things you missed. Also go back and look at all the terms that I listed out. So that's what this week is for. You do have chapter review questions this week. If you read over not the lecture, but the PowerPoint, you won't have an issue answering these questions. They're super easy. Also, if you're missing some questions or if you want to retry a couple of weeks of questions that you might not have done well on, reach out to me. I'm happy to open them back up because they're meant for studying, not for actual quizzes. Although if you don't do them and you don't do a good job, that score is going to resonate in your final. So be sure to review the PowerPoint. Make sure you take time to study for the final exam. I give you 2 full weeks to study for the final exam because next week is the open week as well to prepare, and that gives you extra time. I'll put out an even more in-depth study guide next week, which goes over the terms and conditions you need to make a final the final grade a good grade. So if you need anything, let me know. Reach out anytime. Happy to help. I appreciate all your work, and I look forward to having this course finished and completed, and look forward also to all of you having a good grade. Thanks so much.